Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to draw on the rainbow scratch notes. So I'm going to open it. Okay, I need to get the black thing. So I'm going to teach you how to do great pictures out of them. So I'm going to draw a tree. So to draw a tree, just need to do it straight like that. And as you scratch it, you make a line. Then look what happens. The rainbow comes. Now I do one, and then I do another line. Then up. Then now I'll draw a tree. Now this is gonna be first thing gonna be. And the second one is gonna go like that. And the third one is gonna. And then we're gonna color it, and then we're gonna color it in. Like that. So there you scratch. So as you scratch it, the colors will come and show a great design of a tree. Now, as you scratch it, the black marks will come like that. So then you're gonna blow them away. And if there's any black marks, then fill them in. Then the color will appear. Then I'm gonna draw another tree on the other side. But this one I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because we needed the place where the sun will fit. Now, yeah, then it's time. Now, you need to also make tree marks, like a wooden thing like that. So that's the wooden bit. Same over there. And you draw tree things, same over there. Make it a little bit smaller. Now we're gonna fill it in. Now here, my tree is finished. So now your picture should be like this. Now, there are two kind of stencils that look like those. Now in there, I'm picking this picture. Now, But before, I'm gonna draw the grass. Now drawing the grass, it needs to be zigzaggy lines. Yeah, I did the zigzag lines. So it looked like a bit like that. Then on the stencil, you should place where your animal should be. So I'm putting it right over there. Then next, what you do is, if you wanna, then you just wanna do the border in it. You can fill the thing if you want to, so I'm gonna fill it. Yep, now I'm gonna finish it. Yep, now it's done. And then look. Then your thing should be like this. But we needed a place where we need to put the sun. So to draw the sun, it should be curved. But you can make your sun how much size you want. So on the sun, it should be a little bit curved. But if you want to make it a bit hotter, you can add lines at the bottom. So you can make your sun how much size you want it to be. So looking on your scratch board, you do a curve like that. Then you color your sun. Just like I said, you can color your sun if you want to, but you can color your sun if you want to, or otherwise, no. Like I just said. Now, but if you want to make it a little bit hotter, I'm going to show you how you put the lines on. And don't put too close to the sun. Don't put the lines too close to the sun or far away from the sun. It should be just like how I'm putting it. Like that. Which makes a beautiful design. But if the tree is in the way, you skip it and you do the last thing over there. Now that our picture is done, now we're gonna draw the cloud. So looking on your scratch board, the cloud should be right on the top over there where I'm pointing at. Now drawing the cloud, it should be like how I'm drawing. First you do a curve, then you do another one. It's like a cloudy. So I did my cloud. Here's my cloud over there. And then you can color your cloud if you want. Now, here's my picture over there. Here's my whole picture over there. So it's nice to see it's nice to see me teach you how to do that thing. So here's my whole picture done. Now it's nice for you to watch me how to do the thing, how to do the scratch notes thing. So bye.